All right, y'all. Look, these my chunky chicken breast Cajun tacos. That's the chunky chicken meat that is ready. If you smell it, whew, you'd be like, "What you cooking?" It smells like heaven in here. I already did my shells, so I'm gonna layer it up. I'm gonna show you how that works once I get everything put together. I just wanted to show y'all before I add any more toppings. So you got the lettuce, a little bit of cheese, and then we're gonna do some tomato, and I'm gonna have avocado because I'm trying to live my life right. So that's how they're gonna end up looking, but look at that, baby. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay.